Welcome to our Spelling Netcast. I hope you're having a great day today. Let's make sure that we are prepared and ready before we begin our work. Please make sure you have your pencil to write with, your glue stick to glue your heading into your journal, scissors to cut out your word chips, your journal to actually work in, and last but not least, your spelling words. Looks like we're on Sort 7. Sort 7 has to do with plural endings, adding ES. Let's take a look at our words. Alright, there they are. Alright, let's get busy. Go ahead and pause the video and start cutting. Alright, I'm just finishing up here. Again, I have kind of put my words in columns. As I do so and cut, it makes the process a lot faster. So, alright, let's go ahead and check out what our exemplars are. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at our heading. Let's go ahead and take care of it. Let's run a bead of glue across it. Let's put our heading at the top. It's important, students, that you do exactly what I'm doing. And we're putting our heading at the top, so it helps keep us organized. And it's important that you guys write what I write so that you can practice doing this sort correctly. Alright, let's take a look at our exemplars. Looks like we have an exemplar of add ES. So let's write that at the top. Okay, let's put that one off to the side so we don't write it again. And let's see, where's our other exemplar? It must be right here hiding. Here it is. And we have add S. And then, looks like we have an oddball. So let's go ahead and write oddball over here. And then if we do have a few oddballs, we can put them on the side. Alright, that's if we do. Let's take a look at our first word here. Let's go to benches. Let's take a look at benches. Alright, let's write the base word, bench. Say the word, bench. Let's take a look at the vowel sound, be, bench. We have a short vowel sound in bench. Now let's take a look at the exemplar. Let's take a look at the pattern. The pattern is add ES, and it looks like we have an ES, but why do we add ES? Well, we have this CH, and words that end in CH and a few other blends like that, you'll add ES at the end. Alright. Let's take a look at place. Let's move benches off to the side and let's go to places. What's our base word? Our base word is place. P-L-A-C-E. Everybody say place. Place. We're looking for vowel sounds first. Looking for the sound, and then we're looking at the pattern. So everybody say place, play. Place, A. Wow, we hear that distinct long A sound, don't we? So let's put a long vowel sound over the A. Now on this one, we're just adding S because we have an E at the end, so now we don't write E-E-S. That would be incorrect, wouldn't it? So we're not adding ES, all we're doing is adding S because the E is already there. Alright. And the E is already there. All we're doing is adding the S at the end. Okay. Let's take a look at another one. Let's go to horses. Horses. Everybody say horses. Alright. Looks like the base word of horses is horse. We have a long vowel sound. We can, as you say it, you can hear the distinct long sound, the long O sound. And again, the E is already there, so all we have to do is add the S. The E is already there, we're just adding the S. Okay. Let's do ashes. Let's take a look at ashes. Base word is what? Ash. Alright, when we burn something, the remains is ash, right? And when we have a bunch, then it becomes ashes, right? And see this, just like we had the CH here, when we have the SH at the end, then we know to add ES. So just like CH, when the word ends in CH, we add ES. When it ends with SH, we add ES as well. Okay, and plus there's no E at the end, it's already there. Let's take a look at this one. We've learned about CH and SH, and now we have fox. So fox is the base word, and here we see ES at the end, right? There's no E to just add the S to. So when a word ends in X, then we add ES at the end. All right. What about we didn't do the vowel sound on this one, so let's go back and check this out. Everybody say ash. Ash. Short, huh? Ah. How about foxes? Fox. That one's going to be a short, like an octopus. Fox. Foxes. All right. Well, guys, I've got you off to a pretty good start. Now go ahead and take the remainder of your words. We can move these off to the side because we've got these done, right, in ashes. So let's bring these into play. And the time is now yours, now that you know the rule. Again, when we add ES, we look for the CH, the SH, and the X, and we add ES at the end. When we have a word that has an E at the end, like in place and horse, all we have to do is add the S. That's it. Alright, so as you're going through, remember to say the word, sound it out, look for the vowel sound, then look for the pattern. And as you're doing so, you need to look at the word and figure out the pattern. So when it comes time to spell it, everything will fit into place. Alright, we'll practice throughout the week so we can get much, much better. Alright, the time is now yours to go ahead and finish. So pause the video and finish up. Then wait for my message. Alright, you finished your sort, and now I'd just like to remind everybody to make sure you put your word chips back in your Ziploc bag for safekeeping, because you'll be doing sorts throughout the week. Monday night you'll be doing a lay and say at home and writing the words in your journal. Tuesday night you'll be doing another lay and say and a couple speed sorts, and then Wednesday night you'll be doing a blind sort. Remember, with a blind sort, you need a partner, you need a parent or an older sibling that can give you the kind of a practice test. You will write your exemplars on a sheet of paper, the paper that I give you, and then when a parent pulls out the word, you'll decide under which exemplar it goes, and you'll need to write it correctly. And again, we'll look at those on Thursday before you take the test. Before I say goodbye, students, let's go back and review what this sort is all about. Again, we're dealing with plural endings, adding ES, or S in this case. Remember, we went and looked at the base word bench. Bench is one, it's singular. When we add the ES, it makes it plural, or more than one bench. Over here we have place. That was the base word, P-L-A-C-E. And that's one. But when we add the S, because the E is already there, then it makes it plural, or more than one place. Alright. Students, it's important that you get your work done, be responsible. Remember, the better we become at spelling, the better readers and writers we will be. Alright, have a good night. See you tomorrow.